Don't do it. Just use Shape Bender plugin to bend group model along any curve line. Now draw a line at bottom of model. Now select Model, click over Shape Bender plugin. Now select Straight Line. Now click to Curve Line. Use down arrow key to make shape perfect. This method is free to bend model. Another method using Copy Along Curve option. So just use JHS Powerbar plugin. Now select Curve Line. Click over Group Model. Now type distance value to adjust number of copy. If you really like my video, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.